Can ChatGPT help you in making your sound better with Audacity? If you do not know it already, ChatGPT is a trendy buzzword nowadays, having the potential to replace Google search. Even Google's management issued code red, seeing its rising popularity. I will focus on if ChatGPT can assist us in making the audio sound better with Audacity. ChatGPT is a conversational type of AI chatbot that can give specific instructions. Let's see if it can help with proper instructions to improve the audio. My first question is how to record audio in Audacity. I want to see how it responds to this trivial question. It starts with step-by-step instructions. It started with 8 instructions to begin and looks quite promising. Let's review the answer to see if it has been answered correctly. The first 2 instructions to connect the microphone and open Audacity are correct. 3 and 4 are repetitive and wrong. Once you press record, you cannot press it again in Audacity. Instruction 5 on how to stop recording is correct, but the stop button may not be yellow on all devices. The rest of the instruction on how to play, edit, and export the audio is correct. So it has done quite an excellent job of giving specific instructions, though it is not 100% accurate. Let's see if it can advise on how to make sound better in Audacity. This time we got 6 instructions, and let's review those. It starts with using a high-quality microphone, which is good advice. Then it asks to set the proper input level of recording, which is also a piece of fantastic advice. If the input level of recording is not better, it is tough to get good sound in post-processing. The last 4 instructions are about using specific Audacity effects. These 4 effects are the most popular effects to make your sound better. The order of applying these effects in Audacity is important, and we see the order is correct here. The overall instruction to make your sound better is quite good, but ChatGPT shines elsewhere. We can use it for conversations and start asking questions from its answers. For example, I can ask what means by a high-quality microphone is. It responds with the factors to consider while choosing a microphone. You can know the details if you do follow-up questions about these answers. I would say these answers direct us in the right way. You can also ask questions from different angles to get an other point of view. For example, asking how to get a good sound recording will give us solid sound recording advice. This time the tips are focused on recording setup. We have seen instructions for high-quality microphones and proper recording levels before. New additions are a quiet recording environment and proper microphone talking technique. You have to learn all these things for good sound recording, and ChatGPT is doing a good job of letting you know all the necessary things. You can even learn about which software are available for audio editing. You can learn these things from Google or YouTube videos, but ChatGPT gives you a solid idea in one place. Learning these things from YouTube videos or Google searches takes more time. ChatGPT can give you a fast start, and if you are curious enough, you can dive deep. You can use ChatGPT to learn more about audio editing, like anything else. It may not be perfect, but it will set the path in the right direction. If you are a person who likes to explore and learn things, ChatGPT can be a great assist.